skimmer. Oh. That was a dolphin.
What's this hair? This is hair?
It's seaweed.
Seaweed?
Yeah.
What is seaweed?
Seaweed is like grass in the ocean.
Oh.
Hi, Dad. The little town of Iona. Oh, there's Mom way in the background by the hotel coming this way. Silas, what are you doing?
I find lots in the water.
Oh yeah, do you know where you are?
Yeah, at the new hotel.
Do you know where the new hotel is?
Yeah,
Where?
I don't know.
It's on Iona.
Iona? What's Iona?
Is it an island?
Yes.
How did you get here?
I guess there was a bus.
A bus?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
No, a car.
And what else?
Uh,
You take a ferry?
I take a ferry to the ocean.
That's right. Do you remember what country we're in?
Yeah.
Scotland?
Scotland.
That's right. You want to say anything else?
No. Okay, bye-bye.